Yeah, it's your boy G. I'm in Ala, Hawaii, Sea Life Park, once again, Aloha. Today we're on a special assignment. We're helping the food court area with their staffing. So we're helping bus tables today. And so we're just wiping tables off, wiping chairs off, sweeping the floor, making sure the floor is clear of trash, taking the trash out, and bringing orders to the tables. Sea Life Park they're in need of helpers. They don't have a whole lot of people applying for their position, so they leverage us and use our workforce to help them out, which we don't mind. But what they don't know sometimes is that we're just as pressed for workers as well. So, but we try our best to work with them and make sure that they're accommodated. So yeah, I'll just kind of let you know how things are going, and I'll watch you guys later. All right, bye. All right, guys, normally I have my usual staff doing this job, but one of them is on vacation and one of them doesn't feel well, so I'm just filling in today. And when you're the big boss, man, sometimes you just got to do that. You just got to do what you have to do in order to keep your business running. As you can see, wiping down countertops, tables, chairs, checking the trash, delivering food orders, easy stuff. The lesson of the day is this, guys. Don't limit yourself. Cleaning is a very broad industry and can take on many shapes and forms. You could be skimming pools, you could be squeegeeing windows on the 60th floor somewhere, or you could be doing this, bussing tables. Turkey and beef on a taro roll. As professional cleaners, a lot of times our first thought is, well, let me get to the kitchen, check that out, and see if I can provide a quote. But sometimes you got to step outside of your box and think, how can I be of service to this company long term? How can I make this company a reoccurring customer, or a REOC is what we call them? This particular account, we do it 5 days a week. Easy income. All right, you guys, be blessed. I'll holler at you guys later.